take down that base.
Wait, you mean you got it? Transmit the information over to me.
Yeah, I found it in an active war zone. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's a note. It's saying that we have a secret meeting and a person can remember the files. It's at 6 p.m. 82 Melby Lane. Over.
This is going to be fun. I will take down the government.
Yes, sir, Mr. President. Yes, we will recover those files and we will take down the enemy base.
Go into the safe house and recover the files we talked about.
Roger that, government.
Go in that house and get those files.
Joe, what happened? I heard gunshots! It's a Joe! Sugar, honey, iced tea. Finally, a moment of triumph. Watch out, world. That's not what we should have done.
Yeah, Fernando. What should we have done to transfer that information correctly and avoid our untimely death?
Simple. We should have just used one of the newest inventions out there, Morse code.
Invented in 1832, this invention could transmit information safely with the guarantee that it would not be deciphered by enemies.
Morse code lets people communicate in much more efficient ways.
Of course it does. It requires no Wi-Fi or internet devices for its functional use, only electricity.
Private messages can be easily transferred through telegrams, and there are no worries that the information will be intercepted and easily deciphered.
Morse code can also be great help to soldiers and other military officials during war. Secret information can be transmitted easier and more efficiently. Everyone can use Morse code. There is no age limit.
Morse code is not just for the military. It can be used for fun with friends and family as
Morse
well.
code is easy to use. Just match your letter, punctuation, or with the correct dot or dash according to the code.
All families are allowed to use Morse code through telegrams in case of an emergency. Morse code machines are inexpensive and cheap to use.
Our machines range between $20 to $50.
The machines are long-lasting and cannot be easily damaged by children or pets.
There are different types of machines with different levels of complexity and machines for other countries. That way, there is not just one type of universal code.
Let's see what would happen if we use Morse code. Did you know? Come in.
Good work.
What were they doing? Oh, man.
Yeah! Hooray for Morse code!
Wait.
Just a disclaimer, this is not a real gun.
Just
Kidding! It's a laser gun.
This machine can transmit information. Wow, see?
Morse code would also be a great help to show. Oh no, my phone!
Redo! This is going to be fun.